Now that the setup part is out of the way, we are ready to start testing with React. And we are inside a new section of our course in which we will see different testing topics for React. We will first see how we can organize our tests into suites, tests, and we will talk about test hooks in the next lecture. Then we will see how we can find different elements from the rendered document for us in order to test them. We will see several methods to find elements. We will see how we can test hooks, how we can test user interaction, and how we can test for errors. And as an important reminder, all the code is already available for you. I will go pretty fast. I will cut out my typing, but don't worry, you don't have to pause the screen. You can take the code from the section resources.